In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate risk in futures in TradingView. If you trade futures, understanding your risk before you enter a position is essential, and TradingView gives you a quick way to measure it visually so you can make informed decisions. Start by opening TradingView and loading the futures chart you're analyzing. Choose the time frame you plan to trade on so the distances you measure match your strategy. Zoom to a level where your intended entry and potential stop area are both clearly visible. This helps you measure accurately without guessing. Next, select the measurement tool. You'll find it in the left toolbar as the ruler icon. This tool is perfect for risk work because it shows three things at once: the price change, the percentage change, and the number of bars and time between 2 points. That means one quick drag can tell you how far the market can move against you and how long that move might have taken historically. Now click once on the chart where you expect your entry to be, and drag to the level where you would place a stop. If you're planning a long, drag downward to your invalidation level. If you're planning a short, drag upward. Release to lock in the measurement, and adjust by dragging either endpoint if you want to refine it. The goal is to capture the distance between your entry and your stop, not your target. You'll see the readout display the price difference and the percent move. The percentage tells you how much the market would need to move against you to reach the stop. The price change lets you translate that into dollar risk per contract. A simple way to think about it: multiply the price change by your contract's point value. For example, if the tool shows a 100-point difference and the contract is worth a certain amount per point, you know the risk per contract. Use that to check whether the stop distance fits your plan and account limits. You can also set the stop loss level on the chart so it's clear and repeatable. Mark the measured stop price with a horizontal line, or note the exact price in the measurement box. This gives you a precise reference for where your risk ends. Many traders then size their position by dividing their allowed dollar risk by the dollar risk per contract from the measurement. That's it. Use the measurement tool to define your entry to stop distance, read the percent and price change, and lock in a clear stop level. Keep your process consistent, review your measurements before placing a trade, and remember that futures are leveraged and carry significant risk.